Hi, I'm Stephanie with Garden Tamp, and today we're going to plant a bare root tree. These are the items you're going to need: a bare root tree, some pruning shears, a shovel, some organic matter to amend your soil, an organic fertilizer, a water source, some gardening gloves, and we have a rake to help remove the mulch that's already existing. Before we get to planting, you want to assess your bare root tree. It has come out of cold storage, and this bag is around it for transportation. This has helped to keep moisture on those roots, so we're going to take the bag off and make sure that they are well hydrated. So these roots are well hydrated, but we actually want to prune these roots back to help stimulate some new root growth. We actually want to make sure that when we make that cut, we see that nice white center in there. So we're going to go around and do that to the larger roots as well as to these fibrous roots. You're going to want to get this in water right away so these roots don't dry out. So we're actually going to put it into a bucket of water while we dig our hole. We want to go just a little bit wider than the roots and just as deep as about the root flare. So before we plant the tree, we actually want to amend the soil. We're going to add 1 part organic matter to 4 parts of the existing soil. Flip the shovel around and tamp that soil down a little bit. This is going to help bond the soil to those roots. At this point, you can also actually water in to help settle the soil within that root system and repeat the process. When we're about 10 centimeters from the top is when you want to incorporate your fertilizer. Make sure to read the instructions on the back. For this fertilizer, we're going to use about 1/4 cup. Well, there you have it. Over the next few weeks, you want to make sure that you water this tree really well to help it get established. For more watering and plant tips, you can go to our website, gardentamp.ca.